Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have administrator access and a restore point in case you need to roll back. Once done, press the Windows key +I to open settings immediately. This is faster than hunting in menus. Then go to System and choose Troubleshoot because that centralizes Windows 11 repair options. You're doing this so you can run automated diagnostics and keep system changes scoped. Make sure to pause other apps so tests run without interference. Once in Troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters to see targeted tools for network, audio, display, and Windows Update. These are the middle steps where most fixes happen. Click Run on the tool that matches your symptom and follow the on-screen prompts. Windows will attempt automated repairs and may ask permission to change settings. If it reports an error code, write it down. That code speeds up deeper diagnostics. Make sure to test the system after each tool finishes. If automated troubleshooters don't resolve the issue, move to advanced steps. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files, because underlying file damage often blocks fixes. You can also reset a problematic app or boot to recovery and run startup repair. If nothing works, consider a system restore to your earlier point or a Windows reset while keeping files. Key troubleshooting tip: if repeated failures occur, collect error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.